everyone, today we are going to take a look at photos I took on my trip to Portugal and celebrate 3000 subscribers. Photos I took with my trusty Fujifilm X-T4, multiple lenses and Portra 160 recipe from Fuji X Weekly. These photos are straight from the camera JPEGs. I know some of you asked for this recipe and video a while ago, but I was busy with work. Autumn is very busy for me. The photos from this clip were taken in a city called Braga, which was the best European destination to visit in 2021. I told you about it in my last video but didn't show you any pictures. Well, here they are. And the rest are in my favorite city from Portugal. And yes, I am going to say this every time about it. Porto. This city has so much to offer photographers. Beautiful architecture, narrow streets that create amazing shadows, beautiful bridges and high points with some amazing views. What's not to like? Oh, and let's don't forget about the boats, the food and the nightlife, which are great. That is why I don't have any photos at night or in the morning. So if you haven't been to Porto, you definitely should. Now let me thank you all for your support with a surprise. In the comments you will find a link with a presets pack I made for myself and never shared. But now I want to thank you by sharing them with you. Like my first presets pack, these are presets I use in my professional work. Of course they don't fit all photos, but they give you a good starting point. I hope you enjoyed them, and for those of you new to this channel, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also check out my lens reviews and Fujifilm tutorials and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.